Thanks everyone for joining the session. Welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. So it's a purely networking company. I'm telling you, it's not a institute where you can teach multiple courses in multiple domains. Not like that. We are a purely networking guys. It's a networking company. We handle so many clients projects. Apart from that, we are also giving educational services to the students. Our aim is to provide quality of education, and also everything should be practical. Okay, everything should be on practical. So whatever you're going to learn here, 99% everything is in practical. Okay, yeah. So we teach here TCNA, JNCAA, JNCAS, CCNP, Palo Alto, and AWS, Linux, network automation, Python, Ansible. Now we added Aruba also. We added Aruba also. Okay. So yeah. So whatever the industry standard technologies, right? It means exactly in data center environment or service provider environment or enterprise environment, whatever the technologies we are using, what are the products we are using currently as per the industry standards, we are teaching that. Please go on mute, Jyoti. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, so we train here as per the industry standards. Okay, so I will explain everything about what is CCNA, what is JNCA, what is Cisco. Each and every small thing also I will explain here today. Okay, so you will get a clarity at the end of the session. So let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Ramesh Goud. I have total 13.5 years of experience in networking domain, completely in networking domain. So I have worked in Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, Amazon. Recently, I resigned from Oracle. Okay, so in the month of December. Okay, along with me, Karthik Kumar is there. He is a Palo Alto tech engineer. He will take care of security stuff. Okay, we both are tech engineers. Tech engineer is a highest role in networking. So luckily, I got an opportunity to work with APAC, EMEA, AMER customers. What does that mean? AMER means North America. Okay, North American country customers, Middle East country customers, EMEA, and as well as APAC, Asian Pacific countries, all throughout world. I worked with the global customers, customers like AT&T and different big service providers, British Telecom, and as well as so many things, so many gold gold star customers, you can say, like Amazon, Oracle. Okay, when I was working in service in a product based companies like Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, these guys are the customers. Okay, I have been in Amazon, Oracle in a cloud environment also. I was part of building AI data center for OpenAI. You guys are using ChatGPT, right? So how ChatGPT works, backend there is a AI data center. So to build a AI data center, we need an engineer. So I was part of the team as well. Okay, part of OpenAI. So Oracle is building AI data centers for OpenAI. It is located in US, Abilene. I will show you later. Okay, so luckily I have been into this industry in networking domain, each and everything. So here I want to teach you everything practical, with real world devices. Okay, so whatever the devices, right, maximum. So we have purchased all the devices for you. You can directly practice on all the devices. Okay, yeah. So this is all my experience, and this is what I'm providing currently. So let's start about this technology. Let's understand this technology so that you'll understand what exactly you're going to learn. Okay, so this technology is about internet. Internet, without internet there is nothing in this world. Because of this internet you join in this Google Meet. Because of that internet you are able to say hi in WhatsApp. You are able to open Instagram. You are able to watch videos in YouTube. Tell me, without internet there is nothing in this world. Government organizations cannot run, private organizations cannot run. Okay, so without internet there is nothing in this world. So who works behind internet? Network engineers. Now you have got a little bit clarity. This technology is all about internet. So who will design and implement and give the connection, internet connection to the users, companies and all? network engineers. Okay, this technology is all about internet. So now, how internet works? Okay, before that, I'm telling you again, this is not an institute. This is industrial training where exactly we implemented a projects, right, for client projects. Those projects will give you here. Whatever the projects we are doing right in real world, everything will give here. Okay. Yeah. So that's why it's an industrial training center. Now, how exactly internet works? You know already. You guys are using internet. One is via broadband connection. If you take any broadband connection, they will lay a fiber cable to your home, and this is a router. They will give a connection to your router. Through Wi-Fi router, you're able to access internet. This is one way. Another way is 5G, 4G mobile. So your mobile will have an antenna and you have a tower here, wireless tower. Through wireless tower, you are able to access internet. So these are the two ways you can access internet. So is there any other way you can access internet? Anyone does know what is another way to access internet? You can tell sir. Hello, can you hear me?
Hear me? Through
Satellite.
satellite, sir.
Yeah, very
Cable.
good. Yeah, go on mute now. Yeah. So through satellite, you can have a internet connectivity. So now if you go right via a plane, right, to Dubai. So in plane also, middle of the stratosphere or whatever it is, you will get a internet connection. Even if you are in the middle of the sea, you will get internet connection through satellite. Okay. So Elon Musk already introduced this. So can anyone knows that what is a Starlink, right? Starlink is already being used in other countries. Through satellite, you're getting a internet connection. Like how you're getting a TV channels, Sun Direct or Tata Sky, you have a antenna top of your house, right? From there, you're connecting a cable to your Wi-Fi or what is a TV setup box, right? From there, you're getting a TV channels, right? Same way through satellite, you will get a signals, and from through satellite, top of your house, you have a antenna. From there, you have a connectivity to your router. From router to you're getting a internet connection. Okay, so these are the three ways how you will get a internet connection. This is front end. This is front end. You are using this internet. This technology you are already using it. మీరు already use చేస్తున్నారు technology. You already using this technology. Only what exactly you want to know? What is happening behind the technology? Suppose if I'm saying hi on WhatsApp, right? How message is going? In Google Chrome, if I type www.youtube.com on the browser, how YouTube is opening? What is happening at the back end? Start thinking like that. When you start thinking like what exactly is happening at the back end, you are the network engineer. Okay. So here I will teach you what is happening at the back end. Because front end you already know. You're using internet connection. You know how to use it. Example, you have taken internet connection. You connected to your laptop or mobile phone. Now you went to a marriage and you have taken a selfie and you want to upload that selfie in Instagram. Everyone is using Instagram right nowadays, Instagram and YouTube. So whatever the web application, right? Whatever the web application or Android, Apple applications, each and every application will have a server, application server. Suppose Instagram is an application. You're installing that application on your mobile phone. Okay. That application will have a server that is called Instagram server that is located in data center. YouTube, you're going to install in your mobile phone, and YouTube will have a server that is called YouTube server. It is there in data center. So whatever the website it is, website or application, each and everything will have a server because you have to access the server, right? There only all the data is there. So WhatsApp will have a server, YouTube will have a server, Instagram will have a server. That servers are located in where? Data center. Now you have taken a selfie, you're uploading a photo on Instagram. And now how the data is traveling? You're connecting via Wi-Fi, right? Whatever the data, suppose the photo is consist of 4 MB of data. Everyone knows, right? The data is stored in the form of zeros and ones. Okay. So if you take any photo, right, photo or video, that is consist of zeros and ones, MBs, GBs, right? Suppose that photo is consist of 4 MB. Once you start uploading it, right, your photo, the data is travel. First, it will go to your home Wi-Fi router, and your home Wi-Fi router is giving internet connection to connection from where? Service provider. Suppose you are taking internet connection from Airtel broadband, Airtel service provider. So we have a lot of service provider in India: Airtel, fiber, Geo fiber, and local broadband connections, Hathway. Lot of service providers we have. Suppose if you take internet connection from Airtel, right? So Airtel also they maintain a router, but whatever the router they are maintaining, right? That is not a router which you are using in your home. It's a Wi-Fi router. The cost of this router is just 1500 rupees, 1500 to 2000. But the cost of the router which they are using is minimum 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Okay. So from your home Wi-Fi router to Airtel router, they connected from here to data center. So the Instagram server is located in data center. That server is located in something like in Mumbai. Suppose Instagram server data center is located in Mumbai. You are in Hyderabad or Kurnool somewhere else. So from your location to the Instagram server data center, right? There it has a physical connectivity. So you see, right? It is having a physical connectivity. So at every 35 to 40 kilometers, at every 35 to 40 kilometers, they will use a router. Like this, you have a thousands of kilometers, they will use hundreds of routers. So the cable, right? What cable they're using? Fiber optical cable. I'll show you that as well. Fiber optical cable. So they lay the fiber optic cable through underground. So if you see, right, any road construction is happening, right, you may see the orange color pipes, yellow color pipes. Inside that there is a fiber optical cable. So through underground, they lay a fiber cables at every 35 to 40 kilometers. Like that, till the data center, they have a physical connectivity. At every 35 to 40 kilometers, they install what? Router. The router is exactly looks like this. This is a router. In real world, they use a router. Who will use? Companies, service providers, or the companies, they use their routers. These are the routers. The cost of these routers is minimum 5 to 6 lakh rupees. Now in these routers we have a lot of models. Small router, a big chassis router. The cost of this big router is 10 crore rupees, 10 cr. So I will come to about this hardware part, but I'm just telling you. So at every 35 to 40 kilometers, you have a router. Now, this router need a power, right? This router need a power. Where you will give a power? Now you need to understand here. You have a mobile towers, right? Suppose Airtel is there. Airtel is spread across the India. Everywhere you have a mobile towers. If you see bottom of the mobile tower, there is a small room like this. So this is a mobile tower. This is what? This is a small room. Inside that room, you have a rack. In that rack, they will install these routers and other networking devices. Okay. So here, this is a room, practical image. The, if you go to any tower, right, bottom of the tower, there is a small room. So inside this room, they will install the router. They will give a power connectivity. In case any power go down, right, they will start, you know, start the generator. Automatically, the generator will turn on if power goes down. So 24 into 7, they will turn on. So here router is there, right? This router to this mobile tower. See these black color cables. So top side, top of the tower, you will see antenna. The antennas are connected. Okay. So those 5G, 4G antennas are connecting to your router, and this router is connecting to physically to another router up to 35 kilometers. Now all the data center servers are connecting to these ISP routers. So Instagram, how they're accessing via Wi-Fi, you're accessing like this, and also via wireless. Wherever you have a router, right? Here you have a tower. Through wireless, you are accessing the tower. You are accessing the Instagram. You understand, right? Wide and wireless. Backend, everything is wide only. From your mobile phone to antenna tower, it is wireless. But from tower to data center, it is wide. Backend, everything is wide. సో కనెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, ఫిజికల్ కనెక్టివిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఇండియాలో ఎయిర్టెల్ మొత్తం ఉంది. ఇన్ ఇండియా యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ ఎయిర్టెల్. ఓకే. సో ఎయిర్టెల్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్, you know it is spread across India. They have a lot of towers. So here they connected like this. They are using thousands of routers. Okay. Same kind of routers they are using in enterprise architecture and data center also. Okay. So yeah, so this is how the data will flow. Finally the router can send the data to here to server. So whatever you're uploading a photo, right? You have taken a snap, selfie, photo. That photo is traveling from your mobile phone to home Wi-Fi router to the service provider router, router to router like this. Here server is connected to this router, right? Like this, yeah. So you can see, right? It will save to the server. So finally, whatever you're uploading, right, the data can store in server. Okay. So that's how you're accessing the websites, all applications. This is front end view. It's a high level overview. This is how the data will travel across the internet. Okay. Now, what is the backend? The backend, they use these devices, right? So they use these routers, switches, firewalls. Okay. So I will talk about these devices later. Okay. So front end you have seen. So the backend, the data center. This is how the data center is looks like. This is how exactly the data center is looks like. In data center, you will see bunch of racks. Inside the racks, you will see a servers. Look at this example. One of the server, it is a storage server. Look at this. How many hard disks are inserted in this server? Okay. It is a storage servers. Whatever you're uploading, photos, videos in Instagram and YouTube, right? Everything is storing here. Okay. Understand? Everything is storing. Lot billions of people are here. All the billions of people are there, you know, uploading their data in the data, in the applications, Instagram or somewhere, they're storing here. Okay. This is the real pictures. Whatever I discuss here, right? This is just a high level overview how the data is traveling. So backend, these are the servers where exactly the real servers they're storing in, they're stores the data in data, the storage servers. Now, if you see Google data center, this is a Google data center, the picture of Google data center. You see how big it is, how many racks it is having, how many servers are there in each rack. Okay. Now, what is the part of networking role here? These servers are installed and handled by server engineers. However, these servers are connecting to a routers. That's what I said, right? Look at this here. The servers are connecting to a routers. So routers are networking devices. So these networking devices are maintained by network engineers. If you see here, right, top of rack, you see here, one second. On the top of rack, you see there are some devices. If you see closely, so all these servers, right, connecting to where? See these yellow color cables, all are connecting to where? This top of rack router or switch. Okay, you see right here, these are the networking devices. These devices are maintained by network engineers. Once you completion of this course, right, you may work on these devices. See, every top of rack, you will see a routers and switches, networking devices. Okay, all the servers. It's a normal data center. So you have a two types of data centers: normal data center and AI data center. Normal data center, it is having a servers like application servers, storage servers, exchange servers. There are different servers. But in AI data center, it is completely different. I'll tell you. So whatever it is, all the servers are connected to our networking devices. These networking devices are handled by us. Okay. So these are the routers. So routers are what they will do. You know what? routers are connecting to a different company networks. Suppose if you are able to call from your Geo to Airtel, call is going right. You are able to call from Geo to Airtel, right? Call is going. You are able to call from Geo to BSNL, call is going. How? Backend, this is a router. This router is connected. One network is connected. Airtel is connected here. Here, Geo is connected. So both the networks are connected to the router. Router will do routing. It enables a communication between networks. Because of the router, backend routing protocols they use, that's how you are able to communicate. That's how you are able to call it. Understand? You're using a SBI debit card. If you go to ICICI ATM, right, you can, by using your SBI debit card, you can withdraw from ICICI ATM also. How? ICICI is one bank, one network. SBI is one bank, one network. However, it is happening. How? Backend, this is a router. So because of this router, we are getting internet. So these routers are maintained by our network engineers. Wherever you go, service provider like ISPs, Airtel, Tata Communications, CFI Technologies in India, you know, BSNL, lot of service providers use these routers. Based on the usage rate, you can purchase a router. If you need a small router, you can purchase a small router. If you need a big router, you can purchase a big router. The router cost varies from minimum 5 lakhs to 10 crores, 20 crores, like that. Depends on the model what you want to purchase. Okay. These routers are handled by whom? Us. We are the network engineers, we use it. These routers they use in IT companies like Infosys, TCS, in in data centers, just now you see, right? Data centers and service provider. In networking domain, we have a three domains: data center, service provider, or enterprise. Data center means, like, cloud companies maintain data centers. They have a lot of servers inside the data centers. There we use these routers and switches. Service provider means like ISPs like Airtel, Geo. They spread across the India, right? At every 35 to 40 kilometers, they will use a router. So they will use thousands of routers. And next is enterprise. Enterprise means it's a company where you have 100 employees, 50 employees. They need an internet connection to work on their projects. So this is called enterprise. Enterprise means banks, you know, banks, LIC offices, small government organizations, private companies, anything. So that is comes under enterprise. So enterprise, service provider, data center, everywhere we use these devices. These devices are handled by network engineers. These are the devices behind the internet. Look at these switches, all your computers. So you have a 40 computers on your company. All 40 computers are connecting to switch. This is a switch. Look at this. By using LAN cables, it is connected to the switch. So the switch, right? It's a networking device. So it is also maintained by network engineers. The cost of these switches are very huge. Okay. Yeah. The thing is, guys, if you understand clearly, the access points, Wi-Fi access points, the CC cameras, printers, computers, everything is connected to these switches. These switches are connected to your routers. These routers are getting internet connection from outside. That's how you will get internet. Okay. And next is firewalls. Firewalls are very important. So if you construct any building, you need a security, right? Security guy. For every company, there is a security guy. A security guy cannot allow unauthorized people. Similarly, through internet, there is a lot of hackers, spammers. They try to enter into your organization. So you need to block it. Only trusted users you need to allow. Also, by using firewalls, if you want to do a work from home, you need a VPN connection. That secure VPN connections will be given by firewall. So routers, switches, firewalls. These three things you should know. Routing technologies, switching technologies, and as well as security technologies. Go on mute. Go on mute, Akash. Okay. So any Tungabhadra Networks team, if anyone unmuted, try to mute them. Okay. Yeah. Now the thing is, guys, these things you should know. So routers, switches, firewalls. These devices are handled by network engineers. Now These devices are manufactured by the companies. The top company is Cisco. So everywhere you see Cisco. That's why we call CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. After that, second top company is Juniper. Now this Juniper company is acquired by HPE. So HPE is a company, Hewlett Packard Enterprise. It's a very big company and it will manufacture laptops, servers, now routers, okay, and as well as Aruba wireless access points. So very important, Cisco, Juniper, and security. We have a lot of vendors, but the top vendor is Palo Alto. So the top vendor is which vendor? These are the vendors who manufacture these devices. We have a mobile phone manufacturers, right? iPhone and other companies. Okay. So those mobile phone manufacturers, we have a lot like OnePlus, iPhone. Similarly, these router switches, firewalls are manufactured by whom? Those are manufactured by the Cisco Juniper companies. That's it. Okay. Now, if you see right, top four skill is Palo Alto. If you want to learn top 100 skills, right, out of 100, Palo Alto firewall is number 4. First one is long chain, second is ChatGPT, generative AI, third one is Dynatrace, and the fourth one is our networking Palo Alto firewall. It's a very huge demanded product. It can support next generation firewall. It is a next generation firewall only. It can support cyber security features. Okay, guys, you need to understand the internet. Behind the internet, these are the devices are there in data center and everywhere. You need to configure these devices. You don't need to go data center, you will go to office, you can log in these devices remotely, you will do it. Okay, so multi vendor knowledge is required, not only Cisco. Suppose in your home you have a TV with the brand name of LG. You purchase a LG TV. Similarly, fridge also LG. You cannot. You will purchase fridge or LG? No, right? So fridge is one brand. Refrigerator, I mean to say, refrigerator is one brand. TV is another brand. Mixer is one brand. Are you guys are using the same brand? All electronic appliances are using the same brand. Washing machine, everything. No, right? Yes or no? Are you using the same brand?
No.
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
Why? Because based on the best, price for quality and based on the price, you can purchase the best product. Here also, Cisco is good for enterprise, Juniper is good for service provider and data centers, and Palo Alto is good for security. For security vendors, we have a Fortinet firewalls, Cisco ASA, Juniper SRX, lot of firewalls we have. Out of all, Palo Alto is number one. In enterprise, Cisco is number one. Backend data center, Juniper is number one. For wireless access points, right, wherever you go, airport or railway station, wherever you go, you have a big access points, you'll get internet connections. Even when you are working in your office, right, you have access points. So access points, the good is wireless is Aruba is good. Aruba is top vendor in wireless. We have a Cisco Meraki also, but Aruba is now growing. So that's what we are giving all kind of technologies. What? Routing, switching, firewall, wireless also Aruba as well as Cisco Meraki, as well as network automation. Network automation means whatever the, please go on mute. Whatever the networking roles and responsibilities, right? Everything we are doing automation. Okay, so that is next level. Okay, but you need to understand behind it, you're connecting to a Wi-Fi, right? Those Wi-Fi in corporate connections, Wi-Fi devices are Aruba. So Wi-Fi connectivity, the Aruba is good. Top of that, Cisco is for enterprise like switches, routers. Juniper is data center. And in data center we use Arista also. We have a one more vendor called Arista Networks. The wonderful thing is Cisco and Arista are brothers. If you learn Cisco, you know Arista. It's dead easy. Same command, same thing. Like if you drive a Maruti Suzuki and as well as Toyota, right? So like a Kia car and Hyundai, engine is same. Only chassis is different. Internally, all are same like that. So Cisco Arista CLI is same, everything is same. Only label branding is different, little architecture is different, but 90% everything is same. They are brothers. Okay, Juniper is built based on the Linux operating system. So if you learn Juniper, you will easily understand Huawei and other vendors also. So having a multi-vendor knowledge is important because all the companies are using, they are using firewalls as a Palo Alto, routers as a Cisco routers, ASR 1002K or whatever it is, switches are Aruba switches or whatever it is, and Juniper. If you have a multi-vendor knowledge, you have a very big importance. Like if you open any hotel, so for making idli, you hired one chef. For making dosha, you hired one chef. For each tiffin, you hired each chef, right? Five different tiffins, five different chefs. You will hire like that, or you will hire only one chef who are having all the skills. Like making, the chef can make dosha, the chef can make idli, right? So if you do a business, how you will prefer? You will make only one chef, right, to save the money. Also, you will give some extra amount to him because he's doing multiple things. Yes or no? Right? Same way here. Same way you need to learn multi-vendor knowledge and multiple protocols, okay? So that you will have a huge demand. That's the reason my students are getting a job easily. Every month I am providing minimum 30 plus placements. March month 48 placements. April month now it is 22. We almost crossed 25 placements. How it is happening? Because of this practical knowledge. And the wonderful thing is we have a these devices in every branch. So Hyderabad team, are you ready? Can you show our devices? All these devices? Are you available, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma. Turn on the camera and show it. Just a second. Let me pin it. Oh, how can I pin? Uh, okay. Can you share your screen? Can you turn on the camera, ma? I'm not able to see it. Everyone able to see it? No, right?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, yes.
No,
Yeah,
no.
we are seeing.
I'm not able to see it.
No.
Mhm. Yeah. Ma, can you turn on the camera? Hello? Who are they from Hyderabad?
Yes,
Pallavi?
sir. Yes, sir. I have turned on the camera, sir.
Okay, now I can see. Let's see for everyone. Now you see, right, guys? Ma, can you go on long view? Can you go on long view?
Yes.
Yeah, you see, right? This is a new office at Hyderabad, guys. We have a bunch of switches. See, we have a routers, Everyone go on mute. Amma, please, you also go on mute. Anjaneyulu, go on mute. Yeah. See, these are the routers. Okay. So go little bit forward, ma. Can you go little bit forward? So wonderful thing is in Hyderabad location, Amma, I don't know whether you have a proper internet connection or not. It's lagging. Can you go front?
Yes, sir. I have good connection.
No, not here. We have a lot of devices, right? That side as well. Go there and show it. So these all are the devices. So this is at entrance only. We have a lot of bunch of routers, switches, Fortinet firewalls. See, the blue color wall is Palo Alto firewalls. So show that. So blue color ones are Palo Alto ones. We have a advanced ISR 4331 routers. If you go to if you go to classroom, right? There you will see servers also. Yeah. So we
Yes, sir.
have
I
a
will show, sir.
yeah. So we have a servers also. So because I'm giving everything, guys. Okay. So we have a Dell server. We have a lot of devices. This is a server. Okay. So we did not install it because just 2 days before we open a branch, we have to install all this in the rack. So this here the bottom right, you see 4331 routers, ISR routers. So that is a rack. So for Hyderabad branch, we have a separate rooms for freshers and experienced candidates. Okay. So yeah, so we need to install that this weekend. I'm going Hyderabad and I'll make it ready. So this is for Hyderabad branch. So you will learn everything on these devices. Okay. So if you join in any company as a network engineer, right, they will not even allow you to touch these devices. Any network engineer are here? Any network engineer who is working and doesn't have access? Not ఎవరైనా? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
So yeah, in the real world, you know, they will not allow you to touch also. But here what I'm doing, I invested lot of money, almost 1 CR, and I purchased all these devices, and you're getting a hands-on experience on these devices. So you're learning everything practical, whatever we're doing on real world, right? So that's what you will learn a practical knowledge and you will get a job. Okay. So the Hyderabad location is located in this branch is located in KBHP. Just Google it. Not only Hyderabad, we have a multiple branches. So open. So Bangalore team, are you ready? Can you show your lab?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is from Bangalore. Okay. So everywhere we have a same setup. So everywhere we have a same setup. Are you seeing in Bangalore also for this is for experienced people. They can log in these devices remotely or physically through console. They can practice it. And also for freshers, we have a separate room. They can go inside here. See, these guys are practicing. You understand, right? So here it is like that. You will learn on live devices. This is for Bangalore branch. Okay. Yeah. So it is located in Martali. So just Google it, okay? Now in Vizag. So Vizag guys, are you ready? So in Vizag location,
Sir.
we have a office at Dwarka Nagar. Look at this. This is for Vizag location. You see, right? Same rack, same devices. So people can practice it on benches. So here you have a lot of okay. Already they are practicing it, huh? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you see, right? There are a lot of devices here. They can practice it. It is located in Dwarka Nagar. Now in Karnul. So Karnul team.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I'm available, sir.
yeah, share your screen. Ramesh, thank you. You can stop. Yeah. So in each and every branch, we have everything. In Karnul, right? It's a headquarters. Okay. Karnul is like a headquarters. Okay. Here, 1 second. For everyone. Okay. So here you see, right? In Karnul, also you see a big rack. Are you guys are seeing in Karnul,
No,
right?
we can't see.
You
We
can't
can't see.
see.
No,
Why?
no.
So Ma, can you share it again? I'm not able to pin you.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing.
1 second. Let me pin again. Pin for everyone. Uh, which user you logged in? I'm not sure. Okay,
Sunita.
okay. 1 second. So let me share. You guys are not seeing?
No,
No,
still
bro.
invisible.
Yes, sir, I see.
I don't know.
I have seen, sir.
Okay. So generally, here you see, right? So you can just check Sunita user. She shared the video. Here you see lot of devices on bench as well. Okay. So servers also we have lot of servers, the cloud servers, everything guys. See here also you have it in kernel. Hope you guys are seeing. Oh, lot of strength today. Okay. So you guys are seeing it, not seeing it.
No.
No,
I'm able
sir,
No,
to
I
sir.
see.
see.
No,
Some
sir.
see some people are able to see. You need to go to options and check Sunita user. Okay. So I try to mute. I mean, what is that? I try to pin her, but not sure.
Sir, it's able to see, sir.
Yeah, you're able to see, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. Everywhere we have a devices and good news is we are going to open your office in Vijayawada also in the month of May. May first week we are opening a office in Vijayawada. So we have a 5 branches guys. Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Kurnool, Bangalore and Vizag. And the access of this device is lifetime. Once you enroll this year, right? It's lifetime access. This time you join here, you got a job and you work for 2 years and you come back again after 2 years. It is lifetime for if you want to learn, right? Learn it. So it's lifetime access. We will give you one ID card to you. So we have 5 branches. Wherever you are, go to nearest branch, show the ID, get a lifetime access. Apart from this, people who are not coming to office, right? We will teach you with GNS3. So GNS3 is a live tool. See, today I have teach about DSCP protocol. This is a live GNS3 setup. So this is a GNS3. It's like a VM. So whatever the operating system we use in routers, right? Every hardware device will have a operating system, right? So inside that operating system, whatever the operating system we have, right? That operating system will give it to you and we will add in this. So if you want to install your operating system, you need a RAM and ROM, right? So it will consume your laptop RAM and ROM, and as well as you know CPU. Okay, so the thing is, this is a live images we are adding here and we are practicing it. So it is looking like a similar only. So the CLI, everything is similar only. So if you turn on these devices, look at this. It's a, so anyhow, everyone is doing live labs. Okay, everyone. So whoever is going to join here, right? So everyone will do labs on GNS3 first. So the classes are online only. Once I teach here online, you have to go to office during working hours 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Go there and practice on live devices. Okay. Whoever is not willing to go, they can practice on here. It's a live device, live CLI. Same thing. Okay. Same architectures. Also, for remote people, I'm giving a hardware training. Hardware training means how exactly router is looks like, what is a router components, everything, how to log in console, iOS upgrades, each and everything we will teach here. Everything like practically. Okay, whatever we do, whatever the roles and responsibility of network engineer, everything will cover here. Okay, so yeah, so now these are the devices and these devices we are using in networking background. Okay, now you have to understand how we are getting internet. Something is happening in US, you're watching on live in India. How it is happening? How? Because of all the countries in this world, they are connecting each other. Okay, how many countries we have? Almost 194 plus countries. We have 194 plus countries, and all the countries are connected each other physically through fiber optical cable. So this is a fiber optical cable. See, they lay a fiber optical cable through ocean, under ocean. See, this is a fiber optical cable. They have a special ships to lay a fiber cable under ocean. So now recently you see, right, due to this war, Iran is trying to cut the fiber optical cables. If they cut the fiber optical cables under ocean, completely all these Middle East countries and the Asian Pacific countries, they isolated from internet. They will not get much internet. Okay, whatever the data centers we are accessing right now in US, right, that will be gone. Okay, so that's the thing. So they lay a fiber cable through ocean. So that's how the countries are connected. This is a fiber cable. Inside it you may see a course. So you see a lot of fiber cables on the current poles, right? You see a black color cables. Those are not a current wires. Those are what? Those are fiber cables. If you see, right, fiber cables on current poles. If you see, if you go any Hyderabad, Amirpet or anywhere, right, you see this is not a current wires, guys. These are the, see this big one. They round it right here. This is called fiber cables. Whatever you're searching in internet, right, the data is going through this fiber cable. So they have a physical connectivity. So the fiber cable, currently you are accessing high speed internet. How? Because of this fiber cable. This, in the inside the fiber cable you have a course here. This will carry a data with light speed. What is the light speed? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. The light speed, we have a such huge speed, and it carries a huge data also. Huge data it can carry for longer distance. Okay, so fiber optical cable is carrying a data for longer distance. You in your childhood you played with lasers, right? Lasers. The same way, laser means light. Same here. The light is entering here. So with that's what is anything happening in Australia cricket matches. You're watching on live here, right? How? Because of the data is traveling with the light speed. Quickly you are able to access the data. So now shall we know where exactly India is connected? See, this is a India. So India is connected with multiple countries. See, in Mumbai location, it is connected to. So now this is a thing. This is a Strait of Hormuz. You see, right? Here it is connected to Iran. Here, multiple locations. Look at this. This, see, here Iran is trying to cut the cables here. Okay. So you see internet, right? Yeah. So now the thing is, Mumbai is connected to, from Mumbai to, it is connected to different countries like Africa countries. Middle East countries and all. Now Cochin, Trivandrum, it is connected to Maldives. Now Tuticorin, it is connected to Chennai, and Tuticorin is connected to Sri Lanka. And from Chennai, it is going to Asian Pacific countries like Thailand, Malaysia, and all. So this is how the India is connected, and all the countries in this world they're connecting each other through under ocean fiber cable. Okay, that's how. If something is happening in South Korea, you're able to see it. So apart from this, within the India also, all the cities, all the states, they're connecting with fiber cable. Because of the fiber cable, we are accessing the high speed internet. Okay, yeah. Now even in a fiber cable, the data can lost, right? Light can lost after some speed. So in fiber cable, suppose Mumbai to Chennai, you lay a fiber cable. It is about 1,000 kilometers. Now these 1,000 kilometers, if you send us data through fiber cable, right? Through fiber cable, it can send up to 100 kilometers. After 100 kilometers, the signal will lose. So what you need to do? You need to boost the signals. To boost the signals, what they will use? DWDM device. These are the DWDM devices. If you are EC students, you know about DWDM, dense wavelength division multiplexing. Anyone from EC background? So it's a technology. So what it will do, it will boost the signals up to another 100 kilometers. This is a picture of DWDM devices. These devices are manufactured by Cisco. So when I was in data center service provider environment, I have taken this picture almost 2016, 10 years back picture. So now for every 100 kilometers, you need one DWDM devices to boost the signal. Now how many DWM devices you need? You need between Chennai to Mumbai, how many DWM devices you need?
10 to
10,
12.
10, 10. So for every 100 kilometers, you need one DWM, right? 10 DWM devices you need. This is 10 years back. Now, one DWM device can boost the signal up to 800 kilometers. Now it is evolving. Now this is advanced one. Now how many DWM devices we need?
Two.
Maximum
One.
two. See, this is how the technology is evolving. Okay. Yeah. So these are the layer one devices. Okay. Yeah. So it is called optical networking. It comes under optical networking. It is having a huge demand also. Okay. Yeah. Now, why networking? You understand everything. So you know you are already using internet. Now you got a clear picture how exactly internet works. What is the behind that? Now, why networking? Without networking, you cannot access anything. So you are a network engineer in data center. You can maintain all these devices. You will sit in your cubicle. You will log in these devices and you will troubleshoot. You will configure. You will do anything. Okay. Yeah. Now these devices are manufactured by Cisco, Juniper, Huawei, Nokia. Lot of companies are there. Okay, na? So CCNA, if that's what they are using these devices, right? People should have a knowledge on their vendor product. So CCNA is a famous. Okay, it's a very demanded one. So Juniper, Juniper. Lot of people doesn't know about Juniper because no one is available to give a training on Juniper. Very less people. I worked in Juniper. I was a Juniper tag engineer. So this is also having a huge demand. If you want to do a CCNA certification, right? So the exam fee only $370. Just exam fee. Almost 35,000 rupees. Okay. Now to pass the exam is very critical. Now Juniper also it is $236. But here Juniper is giving $155 discount. So just $55 with $55 you can do a certification. $55 means just 5,000 rupees. So you'll get a certification from directly from HP Juniper. The validity is 3 years. Okay, certification, at least one certification is important. So people, if you want to know, do we have a jobs on this? Go there, go to Naukari. Naukari is a social platform. Everyone knows, right? If you want to know whether you have a jobs on networking or not, search here. So JNCIA, okay, search with the skills. So network engineer and search the jobs everywhere. So you will see lot of jobs, not only here, search in LinkedIn also. So open anywhere, minimum JNCAR CCNA is any JNC, anything. JNCAR CCNA. They will ask JNCAR CCNA. See open here, type JNCIA. See What they're asking, desirable CCNA or JNCAA. Lot of people not aware of it. The technology is everything is same. The only thing is commands are different. That's it. Okay, the commands are different. So this is very important, guys. Luckily, the network in this domain, they're accepting not only BTech people. If you, anyone diploma students also, even if you don't do any graduation, diploma also is a mini graduation, they will accept diploma candidates also here. Okay, so education is just a entry ticket. A graduation ticket is just an entry ticket. Okay, all you need is skills. Okay, so you know, right, desirable CCNA or JNCA is equivalent. Okay, whatever the job you see, right, see here also. Okay, everywhere if you go, whatever the job profile.
Sir, tell about projects also.
What is that?
What kind of what kind of projects
You need to
we will
please
provide?
please please wait for, let me complete everything. Okay, you will understand. You have to stay here until I finish. Okay, you will get everything. Okay, so step by step I'm covering, one by one I'm covering. Okay, yeah. So juniper, juniper is very important. Not only juniper, Nokia. Nokia is only not only for manufacturing the mobiles. Okay, so it is manufacturing the routers and switches. Routers 7750 SR routers. I worked in Nokia. So a lot of people think that Nokia is only for double phones. No, man, it's a very big thing. It's manufacturing 5G antennas. It is doing in Chennai currently. So these are the vendors, guys. So the beauty of this technology is these are the product based companies. Product based company means they have a their own product, either hardware or software. But networking, they have a hardware, also they have their own software. So getting a job in product based company is very tough, but networking domain, it is easy. So service based companies like TCS, Infosys, these are the service based companies. These companies are working for these product based companies. Service based companies, the package is just 30,000 per month. For the same engineer, the package is in product based companies 1 lakh, minimum 1 lakh. Okay, so now you decide whether you want to get a job in service based or product based company. Okay, yeah. So these are the technology, these are the products and vendors and product based companies. And once you learn this technology, what kind of roles you will get? Network engineer in data center. So we have a lot of device in data center. You will take care of everything in data center. So I started my journey initially. So this is me in the year of 2016. I worked in a data center initially. Okay. Yeah, it's a long back pick. Okay. Now network analyst role. Network analyst means if anything happen your network, either data center or enterprise or service provider, you need to do what? You need to analyze it. Like if any murder happened, right, police people can investigate through CC cameras and all, right, same way you need to investigate what is the reason for this issue. Next time it should not occur. Okay, it should not be occur in future. So recently, you know, right, if AWS outage or else data center outage, so a lot of websites they're not able to access, services will not work. How? This is called network impact. So you need to troubleshoot, provide root cause analysis, and you need to do anything, everything. So network analyst role. So next is NOC engineer. This is a common role for freshers. So NOC engineers means in data center or service provider environment, they are using thousands of devices, especially in data centers, it's a lakhs of devices. When I was working in Amazon, right, there is a more than 1 lakh. In Oracle also, one data center, one region only, they have 1.5 lakh devices. How they will monitor all the devices? If anything happen, one device down, right, how you'll go and check? So they will monitor all the devices. In case if any device goes down, immediately you will get a alert, this device went down. It will show you rack location, everything. So the NOC engineers will coordinate with the field engineers who are like data center engineers, and they will coordinate through tickets, internal Slack or internal teams, and then they will resolve the issues. This is what NOC engineers do. In case if they are not resolved, they will escalate to seniors. In case if they are not able to resolve, they will escalate to TAC engineers. TAC means vendor. Okay, whoever is manufacturing this product, right? That is a TAC role. That is the highest role. Okay. So NOC engineers, whoever is working as a NOC engineers, don't work more than 1 year. Okay. You are screwing yourself if you're working as a NOC engineer more than 1 year. There is no growth. There is nothing. Okay. You will just monitor, monitor, monitor. If you mention your monitoring skills in resume, no one will pick you. I'm telling you. So that's where here I will teach here with real-time projects, whatever the protocols, whatever the routing protocols, switching protocols, concepts, right? Everything, everything I will teach you with real-world devices and with real projects. Like suppose DSCP is there. DSCP is a protocol. Where exactly we use, in which environment, routing protocols. Each and every protocol, I will give you a project like service provider projects, data center projects, and everything. Okay. So anyone is knock engineer here more than 1 year who are working? Anyone is here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am here.
Yeah. So it's time, brothers. Okay. It's time. So after training, right, you have to move into core networking. Okay. Core networking as well as you. So after training, right, you need not mention this matrix schools. I will tell you. So we will prepare your resume with very high end skills, not with monitoring skills. Okay, be ready. Now L1 network engineers, any company they have L1 means they will only read access. You will log in the devices. These devices are very costly and they're giving internet connection to the lakhs of people. If you do small mistake, there will be a huge impact. That's why they will give you only read only access. Just you cannot change any configuration. You can just run show commands. Okay, L1 network engineer rules. So network administrator, like small organizations where you have 100 employees, or hospitals, government organizations, there you need to take care of routing, switching, security, everything. So the network administrator will take care of everything. For a bigger organizations, for routing there is a separate engineers, for switching separate engineers, security they have separate engineers. Okay, yeah. Now network engineers in service provider. So service provider like ISP, BSNL, Geo. If you get an opportunity in service provider, don't lose it. You will learn a lot. You will learn a lot. I'm telling you, you will learn a lot. I have been in service provider for more than 6 years. I learned a lot. Okay. Yeah. Now, tech engineer. This is the highest role. So in any company, you have a network engineers. In case if your seniors also not resolving the issue, they will contact home tech engineers. Final contact. Okay, they will contact tech engineers. Tech engineers means this role only available in product based companies. You are representing a product. In case your phone is not working fine, so you're going to iPhone is not working, you're going to iPhone customer support, right? They will resolve same way. In case if their routers or switches or firewalls are not working, either hardware level or protocol level or bug level, whatever it is, they will contact TAC engineer. So TAC engineer is talking to global customers and they will get a huge package for TAC engineers. Okay, so lot of my students got a job in as a TAC engineer. So recently, just 2 days back, one of my student, he's February 11th batch. He got a job in where, you know, HPE tag. It's a Juniper tag. He got how much? 19.4 LPA. Okay. So he has just 6 years of experience. And the wonderful thing is he is non-technical guy. He has wait. We go on mute. Okay. So these guys, this guy is having just 6 years of experience, 3 years non-technical, 3 years technical, but not networking. That support role. But he followed my instructions. He cracked it. So every day we are posting placements. After that, see, he's a fresher. He got 2.4 LPA, and here also Connex. He got April 17th. One more. So like this, if you see right here, this is a 2026 passed out candidate. He did not completed his BTech. He got a job with 3 LPA. Okay, 3 LPA. Okay. Now this guy Bondada in a Geo client. Okay, he got almost 2.6 LPA. He's also a fresher. Okay. Now skill mine. He got almost 3.5 lakh rupees. Are you seeing? He's also a fresher and he has 4 years of career back gap. See, his name is Mohan, April 15th. So lot of like this, VS Global. This guy also got a job with a package of 27,000 per month, means almost 3 LPA. Okay. Yeah. Till April 11th he got. Almost in April month, we provided 25 placements. Okay, these guys are January, February batch students. They have taken an internship, they have followed my instructions, they're getting it. Okay, like this, there are a lot of people. Okay, you guys are seeing, right? These all are offer letters. This guy is, this guy is non-technical guy. He got a job in Meridian, client is Birla, and he got almost 6.5 LPA. So I have taken all these success stories. You can check it in YouTube. So this guy also. So he's a fresher. You know what? He's a fresher. He did a degree in political science, and he got in HCL. So degree is entry ticket, guys. So degree is just entry ticket here. This guy is also a non-technical guy. Okay. So in March month we provided 20, 30, 48 placements. April month 25. From last 5 months we crossed almost 300 placements, guys. 300 plus placements. How it is happening? Because of practical knowledge, because of huge demand in this networking domain. So someone is asking what projects you will teach. All the projects, whatever the control routing protocol, switching protocols, right? Each protocol, where exactly we used, where exactly we implemented, everything will teach here. So syllabus you can check it here. So now I'm telling you which course you have to take. Okay, whatever it is, right? Go to each and every course. There is a syllabus. Each concept will teach you with real time project. Okay, yeah. So this is all about TAC role and the placements which I just show you. And also this is a one more role, cloud network engineer. Cloud network engineer is nothing but you have a cloud companies like GCP, AWS, right? There, if you work there, right, they can just call as a cloud network engineers. These are the designations, guys. No one can take care of it. They will only take care of your skills. So this is Amazon data center. Okay. This when I was working in Amazon, I have taken this picture. Now this is about my journey. I want to tell you about my journey, especially boys. If you lot of boys are underestimating the field work, and the beauty of networking is it's like a ocean. You have a lot of jobs, but the entry of this job is the package will start minimum with 2.5 lpa. If you think like 2.5 lpa, 2.5 lpa is not a good package, it's up to you, don't join here. Okay, so if you want 5 lpa, 6 lpa, there is no such a jobs available in the market. There is no software engineers. So success will not come in day one. Step by success will come step by step. People are working from 3 years, 4 years, still their package is 5 lpa. So but in networking, your starting package is low, but every year it is double the package. So look at this. This is me in the year of 2013. Okay, I started as a network engineer. This was my old pics. Okay, I worked in field for 4 years. After 4 years, I got an opportunity in Infosys. I joined in a service-based company, Infosys. I don't like service-based companies after joining there. Nothing is there. Waste, worst, I can say. Okay, people who are working in there, they will know. Okay, so I'm a kind of a guy who is always think about technology. Okay, so I resigned here within 7 months. Then I got an opportunity in Juniper. I don't know about TAC role also. Luckily I got an opportunity in Juniper. That's how I learned everything. Now TAC is like, till there I have a 6 years of experience. I do configuration on MPLS, a BGP, everything, but I don't know what is happening backend. After joining as a TAC engineer, I learn. Once I initiate a ping, what is happening at the backend. Once I search a google.com on browser, what is happening at the backend. Everything I learn. So now I'm giving a TAC engineer training. It is not a normal training. TAC engineer training. After that, I moved to Nokia TAC. After that, I moved to Amazon, not Amazon, so Nokia. So Nokia is happened in Corona times, so that's why there is no picture. Then after I moved to Amazon, Amazon to Oracle. Okay, so this is my whole journey. Where I was started, where I was now, where I am right now. My initial package was just 8,000 per month in the year of 2013. Just 8,000 per month. So everyone knows my package, right? Anyone knows my package? Recent package? Who watched the demo session? They might know. Can anyone guess? Hello?
Once year, sir.
No, man. If I once year, why should I teach all
40
these things?
LPA.
Yeah, 40
Yes,
LPA.
sir.
So 40 LPA is a fixed pay. Okay. 40 LPA is a fixed pay. It was just a fixed pay. In any product based company, they will give you shares also. You see, right? IIT candidate got 2 crore rupees, 3 crore rupees. All are not a fixed pay. They will give you just 25 LPA as a fixed pay, remaining all are shares. They will give the company shares. I hold a lot of company shares, but I don't want to reveal that. Okay. So this was my fixed pay. Okay. So that's how it was. Okay. Then after I got an opportunity with Google with 97 LPA and Meta also to relocate to London. When I was in Amazon, they processed my visa also, but my goals are different. I'm here to serve the people with the subject. Okay. I want to help the people. I want to provide the placement. One placement is one job. One job can, change entire family lives. So my father was an auto driver. So my mother was, nothing. Okay. She was not doing anything. But we studied a lot. We did a lot of hard work. I drew auto also. I do a lot of things, guys. I worked in a chappal shop also. So I do a lot of things. Parallel, I studied it. Now I'm here. So there is a lot of people outside. Okay. So that's why whoever is studying, right? Whoever is fee reimbursement students, we are giving 50% discount on CCNA as well. Okay. So we are doing a lot of stuff. I want to provide you the quality of education, and end of the day you will be in good position. That's it. That is what I want to provide. Okay. So for freshers, whoever are the fresher, right, minimum 2.5 LPA to 4.5 LPA, you will get it. Just now I show you the offer letters, right? These all are freshers. This guy got 3 LPA, here 3.5 LPA. So it depends. If they only take CCNA, right, they will get 2.5 LPA. Okay. If they take internships, right, internship you have to take it. If you take internship, right, we will teach you all the projects including monitoring tool, ticketing tool. So once you join a company, right, you will get a tickets, right? For freshers also we'll teach you that what kind of tickets you will get, how you will monitor everything. Knock level experience will give you for freshers as well. Okay. So minimum 2.5 LPA to 4.5 LPA you will get it, depends on the skill set. And experienced candidates, it depends on your skill. Even 2 years of experience candidate, they got 16 LPA in Juniper. Recently, 6 years of experience candidate, right? He got how much? 19.4 LPA. Okay. So the highest package in Tungabhadra networks, the student got is 27 LPA. That is in Juniper itself. CFTS L3 TAC role. Okay. So yeah, it depends on the skill set you will get it, guys. It's up to your skill for experienced candidate. Okay. Here we will provide you the certification, global certification. So Juniper global certification you have to do by yourself. Generally certifications they will pay money to other people, you'll get it. Yes or no, experienced candidates? Do you the certificate? Do you do the certifications by your own? You do the certifications by your own. To be honest, rod reality is they will pay money to the others. They will do the certification, but here it is not like that. We don't encourage that. You have to learn it. How long it is, how long it will take, doesn't matter. Learn it. So I will teach you because I worked in Juniper, right? I will teach you everything practical way. So you will do a Juniper certification by your own. Once you do that, you will get a certification like this. Recently so many students have done the certification. Okay. Even CCNA also, if you want to do it. We'll provide you the dumps. We'll help you in the sense preparation. Okay. Everything. Okay. Yeah. So this is how exactly we do here. Okay. Now, what kind of course you have to take it? Which course you have to take it? This is very important. Okay. So whoever is a freshers, right? Freshers should take fresher internship. Okay. So freshers should take what? Fresher internship. So now who is belongs to freshers? So freshers are, you know, freshers are like, even if they are 2012 passed out, they're freshers only. If you're not doing any work, you're a fresher only. Okay. If you're not doing any work, you are a fresher only. Okay na? I hope you understand, everyone. So some career gap students, they're approaching me, and now I'm a fresher, I'm not getting a job, I want to go with the fake. No. If you have such kind of mindset, you can drop right now from this meeting. We don't encourage that. We don't encourage any fake things, fake certificate, nothing. Okay. It's strictly not acceptable. So instead of that, do a course and do a certification. Companies will they will hire you with red carpet. Okay, they will lay a red carpet for you and they will hire you, because that is the power of skill set. Okay, I'm telling you, even if you have a career gap, doesn't matter. 2013 passed out candidate also got a job as a fresher, but the only thing is you'll get a 2.5 lpa. Okay, but the thing is 2.5 to 3 lpa, like that. Okay, recently there is a guy Raj Vincent. He was 2020 passed out candidate, 6 years career gap. He got a job in Diefold. Okay, you can see his success story in YouTube. So
Yeah,
he,
civil.
yeah,
Yes.
you have seen, right? So he has a career gap student. He's a civil student. He got it. He got a 3 LPA. Okay, so your career can start. Maybe it has taken some delay, but you have to start genuinely. So you don't compare with others, guys. My friend is having 12 LPA. I also want 12 LPA. I'll do whatever I want. No, don't do that. Okay, you want to go with, that's how the people are manipulating outside. If you say like this, right, the people are cheating you. They're taking money and they're doing all these shitty things and they're cheating you. Recently, one of my student, he paid 12 lakh rupees to get a job in Wipro. So the thing is how the scammers are doing, everyone is like, under kumakaina wale, including HR, everyone. Okay, so what they do, so you will get a 12 lpa package, but whatever the package you will get, right, once you get offer letter, you need to pay every amount, all 12 lpa to me. Okay, then only it will be, he will release the offer letter. So he agreed it blindly. He paid 12 lpa. Then they managed in interview, he joined it. Only few people are like a scammers, but once you join in any team, right, other team members are there, right, team lead and managers, they don't know these things. They try to check his skills, but he's not good. And again they did a scam. Hey, we'll give you a project support monthly, give us 20,000 rupees. See, this is how the people are scamming. Okay, so that's how he managed 2 years. He gave 20,000 rupees to them for every month. After that, because of these layoffs, right, he got it. So they put him under PIP, performance improvement program, because he doesn't have any skills. And then at least these 2 years they didn't even train him properly. Okay, now what happened? Hey, don't worry, I will provide you offer letter in HCL. Provide me 5 lakhs. Without knowing him, he got an offer letter. See, this is how, guys, in this industry, if you provide your PAN card and certificates, the amount 1 lakh rupee will credit to your account. 80,000 rupees you need to pay to them, 20,000 they will give you commission. Such kind of shitty things are happening. So be careful when you're, sharing your documents. Okay, don't trust that kind of people. Don't go in the wrong way. Invest on your skills. Learn it. Get a job in a genuine way. Work hard for 1 year. After 1 year, the package will be doubled. Okay, so that's how you need to grow step by step. Okay, so requesting you everyone, if you have such kind of mindset, please drop from this meeting. I don't encourage that. So only if you want to go in a genuine way, stay here. Okay, yeah. So which course you need to take for freshers, even if you have a career gap, doesn't matter. Some people, and I already worked in 2 3 companies, but I don't have any pay slips or any relieving letter. If you don't have any such letters, right, you must take as a fresher only. So company need proof. All the companies required proof. You need a relieving letter, that is must and should, and you need a bank pay slips, that is must and should. Okay, so some people may have relieving letter, some people doesn't have bank pay slips. At the time you can take a letter from your company. Hey, I got a salary through cash, right? Some people may receive a salary through cash. With the company letter pad, right? So take a letter pad and take a proof from them. Okay, you are taking a salary from the company, right? They need a proofs. End of the day, they need a proofs. Okay, so if you have a proof, right, you're good. Whatever the technology you are having, Power BI, DevOps, software engineers, banking sector, salesman, doesn't matter. All I need is, if you are wherever you're working, designation also doesn't matter. All I need is you should have a proper pay slips, proper relieving letter. That's it. And genuine letters. If you have that, right, here I will teach you projects, and then I will convert all your experience into core networking, and then you will attend the interview as a network engineer guy. Okay, some people may ask, Anna, my designation is sales manager, sales executive, or customer executive. Designation does problem? No, no one look into for designation. BGC, they will check only whether you're an employee of that company or not. So the skills they will check in interview. They will schedule a 2 to 3 technical rounds, right? During the technical round, you need to prove it. No one will ask you designation. In case if anyone point out, right? Initially they given this role, but I moved into technical domain. That's it. Simply you answer it. So we will give you training on that. Okay. So we'll give you technical training. We will prepare your resume. We'll take mock interviews. Everything we will take care. All you need is follow my instructions. So dear all freshers, take this. Go on mute. Go on mute. Go on mute. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So now for freshers, kindly take fresher internship. Okay. The fresher internship consists of CCNA advanced. Advanced means here everything I will teach you at packet level. No one in this country or world teaching at packet level, CCNA. So what is mean by packet level? So we have a tool called Wireshark analysis here. Okay. You are getting internet from Wi-Fi, right? See, this is a packet level Wireshark analysis. So I mean, my computer is interacting with my server. Which server? Google Meet. Look at this. It's a voice, right? So what is exactly happening at the backend? So this is 0.200 is my computer IP address. It is interacting with a lot of servers. So look at this. If you open any packet, what are these layers? Layer 2, layer 3, okay, layer 4. What are these fields internally? So from day one, we'll start learning this. Okay, this packet level knowledge is very important. They are all senior network engineers. You also need to learn Wireshark analysis. So from day one, I'll start teaching you packet level. This is a TAC level training. Only TAC engineers can learn like this. So same thing I'm providing. Okay. So currently, if you're accessing any, suppose, look at this. So you're accessing Mintra, right? Mintra website. So what is happening? How your computer is interacting with Mintra website? So first get a Mintra website IP address. How to get? Just initiate a ping. Okay, you'll get a IP address. Every website will have IP address. How? You will learn in soon. So what is a Mintra company IP address? This one. Okay. Now filter with Mintra company IP address. Okay. Now you see here. Enter it. Now you need to take a packet capture again. See, I'm taking a packet capture. See now what you need to do. My computer is interacting with the Mintra website, right? See, look at this. I'm taking a one more website. What happened? Yeah. So now Mintra.com. You see some data is loading. I'm clicking on home section. See some data is loading. Are you guys are observing? Hello, hello,
Yes.
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what?
we are
How
absolutely.
how how exactly it is interacting with your? See, I'm clicking on men section. See some data is loading. See some I'm going on kit section, some data is loading. It means my computer is interacting with the Mintra server. If you open, see my computer IP is 0.200. See whatever the application data right here, it is secured with the TLS. See, it is encrypted data. Even if you're interacting with your bank applications and all, right, this is how you need to analyze it. So dear cyber security engineers, if you want to move into cyber security, first you need to learn networking. Lot of cyber security guys, they are learning here and at packet level. After working as a 2 years of network engineer, right, you can start learning tools like SOC or no, or whatever it is, penetration tools. You can move into cybersecurity, but everything is needed here. What needed? What is needed? Networking. Okay. So CCNA advanced means we teach everything at advanced level with packet level knowledge, as well as here BGP protocol is not there. CCNA. In CCNA, BGP protocol is not there. BGP means it's an internet, but at CCNA we'll teach BGP. Okay. I designed this course with four phases. Networking fundamentals, very important. I will teach these fundamentals for 12 days. After this, routing and switching technologies. See all the syllabus and labs you will see here. And now switching technologies and high availability, security, automation basics, and product training also. Product training is very important. When you purchase a new device, what exactly you will do? Each and everything will cover it, including here we added recently monitoring tools and ticketing tools. So everything is advanced. That's why we call it's a CCNA advanced. Simply we will teach at CCIE level. And Juniper, AWS, Linux for networking, not for Linux for networking. Okay, Linux for networking means Linux is used for administration also. We don't teach for administration. We teach only Linux commands, how much important it is. Okay. So the thing is why Linux is important means in AI data center. Okay. Now I want to cover one more thing. Does AI will take our jobs? You will tell. You will tell that answer. So we have a AI devices. It's called NVIDIA GB200. Okay. Look at this here. We have a AI devices. Look at this. This is a AI device. It's called NVIDIA Blackwell GB200. This is a device who do everything like AI stuff. You guys are doing what? You guys are using what? You guys are using Open ChatGPT, OpenAI, right? Whatever it is. In data centers, you will have this kind of devices. This is GB200. It is having 72 GPUs. It's a very big rack. Okay. So GPUs. Okay. So generally, NVIDIA was manufacturing the graphic cards initially, but now whatever huge billions of users are doing ChatGPT, right? They are giving instructions. All the instructions they're traveling across the internet and they're coming to this device. This device is performing. This device is creating images, responding everything. Okay. So these devices, if you see these yellow color, red color cables are right, these are connected to where? Our networking devices. Our networking devices are like a mediators, like a delivery boys. So from there to here. Okay. So our networking device like a delivery boys, they will carry a customer traffic, they will hand over to AI devices. In AI data center, you have a AI devices. In normal data center, you have a servers, application servers. That is the difference. The difference between normal data center and AI data center is normal data center you have a servers, AI data center you have a NVIDIA devices. Okay, now recently the NVIDIA launched 144 GPU device. It's a very big device. Recently it is launched. Okay. The thing is, guys, these devices consume lot of power. Our routers and switches also. So that's why we invested a lot on hardware to provide you quality of education. Okay. The to power on the device, it will consume lot of power. The cost of those devices is very high. So no one will get a opportunity to work on real devices. Okay. Now you are getting here. Okay. Now, so with the help of network engineers, AI is working. Without network engineers, without router and switches, does AI will work? Tell me. Now you tell me, does AI will take network engineer jobs?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
A big no, because these AI devices are connecting where? Our networking device. Okay. Our networking device are carrying a traffic from customers and handing over to these devices and replaying back. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So that's why, right? Okay. So now what you have to take, freshers can take fresher internship, which consists of CCNA, JNCA, AWS, Linux for networking. That NVIDIA device also built with Linux operating system. All the devices are built with Linux operating system. That's why Linux is important. We teach here. And communication skills are completely free. So my team, when you join here, right, on the day one, we will take a communication round. If you're not good at communication, we'll immediately involve in communication skills classes. Okay. Yeah, which is very important. And also Aruba and Cisco, Meraki, wireless, as well as will teach you monitoring tools and ticketing tools. Okay. So this is a syllabus which I added. Because of this, my students are getting jobs. See, because companies are, hiring my students. Why? Because my freshers also like a seniors. They are learning everything practically. Okay. Yeah, that's the reason. So this is a fresher internship. Now this is 2.5 months. Okay. The internship program is 2.5 months. We will not teach everything in a single time. First we'll start with CCNA. After that Juniper. We will announce the courses. Okay. Juniper is going to start. AWS is going to start. If you have feasibility, you can join. Otherwise, next batch you can join. We will run these courses continuously. So you can join one by one. It depends on you when you want to join. Just inform my team, they will add it. Okay. Now, even in freshers, if a lot of people are CSE background, they know Python. So if you know Python, right, you can take fresher advanced internship. Fresher advanced internship. Okay. Here, network automation, it's a very big thing. Network next future is network automation only. Okay. Everything is automated. So you can learn fresher, advanced internship, fresher advanced internship, which includes automation as well. It is the course content is 3 months. Okay, the fresher internship or fresher advanced internship, you can take whatever you want based on your skill set. I recommended everyone take internship. If you want to take individual course, please take it. It's up to you. Whatever I'm telling, right, you can do chat gpt, you can search internally, check with your seniors, check, do research and join here. It's up to you. Okay. So yeah, so whoever doesn't have any experience, they are eligible for fresher internship. The course fee, I'm not the responsible. I'm a technical guy. The course fees, you can ask my team. I will give you my team numbers. So go to website. Okay. Here we have a website. If you scroll home, right, scroll down little bit. This website I need to improvise. Will improvise soon. So look at this here. I'm going to provide you all contact details of my entire team, including CFO. So because a lot of people are calling, right? I'm providing on our Google chart. Okay. So I'm pasting here all the numbers, call them, or else go to this website, scroll down. You can call first these four members. Members are getting busy. Call any one of them. You can call any one of them. They will help you to enroll. Okay. So they will tell you the fee also. So because I don't know what is a fee structure because it's a finance department. It's a purely company. I'm handling projects only. Okay. I'm handling the client projects, but I don't know what is the course fee and everything. Please ask them any installments, any discounts, everything you can ask them only. My team. Okay. So all the freshers take a fresher internship. Experienced candidates in non-technical. For you, I designed a course in a beautiful way, guys. You don't need to spend a lot of money. Only the relevant skills only you need. Okay. CCNA. So for experienced candidates, we have a non-IT to IT internship. Non-IT means you are IT only. Non-IT means non-networking. Whoever is non-networking, right, without networking knowledge, if you don't have any networking knowledge, if you don't know anything about networking, take this non-IT to IT internship. It is having CCNA, Juniper, AWS, Linux, and here you will get extra real-time projects along with ticketing tools, monitoring tools. Also here you will get same Aruba as well as Cisco Meraki. Okay, you will get here. Here you will get one-to-one membership, one-to-one mentorship. So whoever has joined this non-IT to IT, right? So we have a special group. So we have a lot of WhatsApp groups actually. So here, after completion of CCNA, immediately we will start real-time projects, mentoring group. Here we'll give you one-to-one training. Every day my team will follow up with you. I will also post the jobs to apply. So we will take care of here. Every Thursday and Sunday, we will conduct a meeting. We will prepare your resume based on your background. We'll take care of it. Okay. For freshers, every day there will be meeting at 10 a.m. Okay. Now, experienced candidates in technical, if you know networking, right, take full core IT internship. Core IT internship without automation. If you don't like coding, take a core IT internship without automation. Here, you will see CCNA, CCNP, AWS, JNCA, Linux, real-time projects, PCNSC, and Aruba, Aruba Wireless, Cisco Meraki also. Okay, everything you will get here. All the courses, one by one, it will be completed. It will be 3 months, 15 days. Okay, And experienced candidates who want to learn automation take this full course. So if you take internship, right, the price also will be less. That's what I know. Okay. So go there and ask my team. Experienced candidates core advanced core internship, which includes automation as well. Okay, automation is the next thing. Experienced candidates, you need to focus this. Here in automation, you will learn Python, Git, GitHub, Visual Studio, as well as Ansible, networking, real-time projects, everything you will learn here. The duration is 5 months. It's a very big internship program. Okay. Yeah, here also you will see Aruba and everything. Okay. So this is what it needs. So freshers, please take a fresher internship. Experienced candidates take a based on if you're non-IT, non-networking, take a non-IT internship. Networking, take a core IT internship. If you want automation, take automation internship. The main thing is last and final thing. If you are working in a company, you should have all these things: offer letter, bank state, mainly bank statements and pay slips, and relieving letter. These are very important. Okay, to onboard in a new company. BGC they asked it. Some people may have PF overlap. PF overlap means moonlight. So if you're working in a two companies at the same time, right? PF will be overlap. So if you have 1 month, right, it's okay. But more than 1 month, you cannot manage it. Okay. So we will tell you 1 month what happened and the client isn't updated in EPFA portal. So they can understand for 1 month, but more than that, they will not. So some people may ask PF, some companies cannot ask. Okay. Only service based companies, అతకేం చేస్తాయి కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ లైక్ టీసీఎస్ అలాంటి వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారు చెకింగ్ ఏ పిఎఫ్ ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తారు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి చెక్ చేయమంటారు దట్స్ ఏ వర్స్ట్ థింగ్ అండ్ రెఫరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ Tungabhadra networks will refer you guys, freshers, experience, everyone will refer you, but under the one condition. You must complete mock interviews here. If you complete mock interviews, 3 mock interviews, then only we will refer you. Without checking your skills, we cannot refer you. Okay. Once you complete the mock interviews, we will give you certification from Tungabhadra Networks. Okay. So it's a digital certification. We are spending $34 for each certification. Okay. So this is a certification recently. If anyone has taken a core internship, right? So you will see like this. It's a certification. Okay. You can check on these credentials. It will validate it in internet. So you can paste this URL also. This is a valid credentials. Okay. So who provided? Tungabhadra Networks Private Limited. Okay. So you can publish this certification to your LinkedIn as well. Okay. Yeah. So please understand, guys, everyone, this is all about industry level training. Once you complete the training, we will prepare your resumes, we'll take your mock interviews, we'll try to understand your goal. According to that, we'll help you. Okay. Now, lot of people are calling me and asking me, Anna, I worked here, I worked there, my experience is this. Whatever the experience you have doesn't matter for me. I need only pay slips, relief letter. Rest, I will give you advanced level networking and I will give you the projects. I will send you to the companies. Okay. Base. So I will talk to you one to one. Once you completed the CCNA, I will talk to you one to one based on your current. How many companies you work? 3 companies, 4 companies, 5 companies, all companies, projects. We will give here roles and responsibilities. You are doing everything on real world devices, and we'll give you. Even if you're working as a NOC engineer, even you are working as a network engineer also, you should not mention your company roles and responsibilities. You have to mention very advanced way. Our resume preparation will be very high level. Okay. Yeah. So that's all about it. If anyone having any questions, call my team immediately. I will talk to you one to one. I will talk to you
Sir,
one to one. Mm.
for knock experience, which one is better to take the?
Core IT internship, networking, right? Even if you're not right, networking basics, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So take a core
Hello,
internship.
sir.
Core internship, this one. If you know what is IP address, networking, right? So networking, basics of networking, even if you know, take a core IT internship. Okay. If you're completely non-networking guy, take a non-networking internship. That is called non-IT to IT. Okay, na Suman? Is it clear?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So
Hello, sir. Can I have your number?
yeah. See. I have my numbers. I pasted on the chart. See, you know what? If I provide you my number, everyone is contacting me. Other people will get a busy tone. So I am right now. I am at the office only. Call to these numbers immediately. I will talk to you one to one because your questions may be personal, right? That cannot be recorded. A lot of people have their own personal experience. So I will talk to you one to one and I will guide you one to one. Okay, na? So kindly contact these numbers. You know what? Here, okay, in I have already pasted on the chart. Also go to the website, search tungabhadranetworks.in, and you will have a numbers. Contact these guys first. Okay, contact these guys first. They are available, they're fully available. Contact them so that they will we will guide you. Okay, I'm at office only, so I will talk to you one to one. Okay, na? Yeah, then after you can do research and you can decide whether you want to join or not. About fee, right? Course fee and everything, they will tell you. About installments, about offers, discounts, everything finance related, they will take care. These guys will tell you. Okay, yeah, please call them immediately. We can have a call. Other than this, does
Uh,
anyone having any questions?
yeah,
Yes, I
yes,
have a
yes,
question.
Ramesh.
So one condition, don't explain about your personal experience. Don't explain about anything. If you have any questions, what I would like to deliver, ask me. Your personal thing, I will talk to you one to one. Okay, na? Yeah, now ask
Yeah.
questions.
So, then can we have a one-to-one
Yes,
conversation
that's
because
what.
I have a like it's a very
Yes,
big.
yes, that's what, ma. So I provided your numbers. Contact my team. We can have a one to one after this meeting, right?
See, because okay. See, actually, I have already spoken to one of your colleague. Okay, I'm in touch with them more than a 15 days.
Okay. What
So,
I'm
but
saying
still,
is,
I wanted to talk to you personally.
yeah, ma, what I'm saying is contact them. I will take their phone. I'm at office only. Okay. After this meeting, just call them
Hmm?
immediately. They will give the phone to me. I'll talk to you. You understand, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I mean, I'm at office only right now. I want to talk to you each and every one. So call them. I'll take your phone. I'll talk. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah. And yeah. So other than that, anyone having any questions? Mahesh, you're saying something.
Yeah. Actually, so I have to talk to you one to one. So then
Okay.
I'll call you on direct number.
Please call any one of this number. We can talk right now after this meeting. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, definitely. Yeah.
So other
Hello.
than that, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Actually,
Please.
మీ యూట్యూబ్ లో మీ డెమో గానీ అవన్నీ చూసాను కొన్ని.
Hmm.
అందులో చాలా మటుకు మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అన్నది అండర్స్టాండింగ్ మీద చాలా మంది కామెంట్స్ అన్నది పాజిటివ్ గా ఉన్నాయి. రమేష్ సార్ చెప్పినవి బాగుంది అని చెప్పేసి. ఏదైనా కోర్స్ లో గానీ అప్డేషన్ గానీ అంతా కూడా ఆయన చెప్పినవి బాగున్నాయి అన్నారు.
Okay.
మిగిలిన వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం
Mm.
బ్రేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో
Okay.
మీరు ఒకవేళ అడ్వాన్స్ 4 ఇంటర్న్‌షిప్ తీసుకుంటే మీరు ఏమేమి కోర్సెస్ కి గైడ్
Yeah.
చేయగలరు?
So
మామూలుగా.
maximum 90% ఆఫ్ ద కోర్సెస్ నేనే టీచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. CCNA నేనే టీచ్ చేస్తాను. CCNP నేనే టీచ్ చేస్తాను. పాల్ ఆల్టో ట్యాక్ మీకు ఏ కోర్స్ మీద కామెంట్స్ వచ్చాయో నాకు ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి పెట్టండి. ఐ విల్ చెక్ ఇట్ టు ఇట్. యాక్చువల్‌గా ఏంటంటే పాల్ ఆల్టో టీచ్ చేసేది పాల్ ఆల్టో ట్యాక్ ఇంజినీర్. హి ఈస్ అన్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్. సెక్యూరిటీ మొత్తం పాల్
ఓకే.
ఆల్టో కార్తిక్ సార్ తీసుకుంటాడు. హి ఈస్ ఎ ట్యాక్ ఇంజినీర్. హి ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ పాల్ ఆల్టో. ఓకే. CCNA,
ఓకే.
CCNP, AWS, JNCA ఈ 4 కోర్సెస్ నేనే చెప్పేది. లైనెక్స్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ హర్ష తీసుకుంటాడు. ఈ రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ నేనే తీసుకునేది. ఓన్లీ కార్తిక్ సార్ ఒకటి పాల్ ఆల్టో సెక్యూరిటీ తీసుకుంటాడు. రిమైనింగ్ అంతా నేనే తీసుకునేది 90%. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
యా. సో
అంతే.
యా, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే. వి డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఇంజనీర్స్. సో జస్ట్ 1 అవర్కి పే చేసి 1 ఇయర్ 2 ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న క్యాండిడేట్స్ కాదు. మేము లైవ్ లో జాబ్ చేసి ట్యాక్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అనమాట. దట్స్ హౌ వి డెలివరింగ్ ద కంటెంట్. ఓకే. యా. వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు చెప్పే కామెంట్స్ కాకుండా సబ్జెక్ట్ మీరు వీడియో చూడండి. మీరు ఎట్లా అంటే కామెంట్స్ చూడకండి ఫస్ట్. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ ని వినండి. విని మీరేం నేర్చుకుంటున్నారో, మీకేం అర్థమైందో, అది అర్థం కాలేదో, అర్థమైందో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. దాని మీద అడగండి. మీరు ఇలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు, ఇక్కడ ఇది అర్థం కాలేదని. ఆ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా మీకు నచ్చిందో లేదో మీకు తెలుస్తది. వీడియో చూస్తేనే కదా తెలిసేది. మూవీ కూడా అంతే. రివ్యూస్ చూసిపోతారా? మీరు ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ అవ్వాలి గదా! సో, వీడియో చూడండి.
యాహ్!
కంప్లీట్‌గా చూస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ ఐడియా. సో, డోంట్ బ్లైండ్‌లీ బిలీవ్ అదర్స్. యూ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ ఇట్. లైవ్‌లో, పబ్లిక్‌లో ఆల్రెడీ అంతా ఉంది. ఓకే. సో, చాలామంది గూగుల్
ఓకే.
రివ్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. సో, లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ అప్రిషియేటెడ్ కార్తిక్ సార్. ఎంతమంది పాలో ఆల్టో కంపెనీలోనే జాబ్ తెచ్చుకున్నారు డైరెక్ట్‌గా టాక్ ఇంజినీర్‌గా ఎంతోమంది. సో, ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద
యాహ్!
ఇండివిడ్యువల్. and nowhere everyone is giving 100 to 100%, but we are trying our level best in this educational services because we have a passion, we have a lot of commitment. See, ఎంతో మంది ఎక్కడైనా జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికే కాదు, జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి, దే నీడ్ ఏ జాబ్. సో ఓన్లీ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఎందుకు, అట్లా కాదు కదా. సో ఇక్కడ నేను డబ్బులు కట్టి జాయిన్ అయితే నేను ఏదైతే నువ్వు డ్రీమ్తో వస్తున్నావో ఆ డ్రీమ్ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయడమే మా డ్రీమ్. టు ఫుల్ఫిల్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ ఈజ్ అవర్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ డ్రీమ్. ఓకే, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ వర్క్, హార్డ్ వర్క్ విల్ గివ్ యూ everything. Okay, yeah, you can get it and you'll check it. Okay, these are the courses we are
Yes.
teaching. Okay, yeah, now
Hi Ramesh, I'm
one
sorry.
second,
Sorry to interrupt you.
Srinath, 1 second. uh, uh, Someone from outside, like Sibanda, you have a question, right? Sibanda,
Yes, yes,
yeah, can you go ahead?
um, yeah. So listen, the other time I was in the other live session,
Mm-hmm.
before the other Cisco class that I couldn't join
Okay.
because of personal reasons.
Mm-hmm.
So I was talking to one of your team members, and she was asking me, as in, which course do you want? And I said I want the CCNA course. I did explain the other time, like I did telecommunications engineering.
Mm-hmm.
I finished my diploma in telecoms engineering in 2017,
Mm-hmm.
and then I only had like a year
Mm-hmm.
of experience until 2018,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that I I dropped everything. I was doing something else. I pursued something else until now.
Mm-hmm.
So now I want to pursue this program. Now I'm thinking, should I do CCNA or something? And she
Do
said,
you, do you have
I have to
experience?
ask her again.
Do you have experience anywhere in any domain? Do you have experience letters, proofs? You work somewhere
No,
else.
not really.
You worked in telecommunications, right? You worked or you
I
pursued there?
wouldn't. Sorry.
You worked there or you pursued from telecommunications? Like you studied in
I
telecommunications?
I did work in telecommunications, but then that was different kinds of jobs. Like sometimes you are doing the Cisco switches. Sometimes you are out there at customers' premises, modems and stuff.
Mhm.
That's what we were doing.
So
So
you have
I'm
a
not
proof,
sure.
right?
Like,
You have a proof, right? Working proof. You worked somewhere and you have that proof, right? Like a relieving letters and everything.
no, I left a long time ago. When I
Acha.
tried to
Okay.
get back to get those,
Understand.
it
So
was hard for me.
I understand. Now take a fresher internship, which consists of CCNA, Juniper, will provide you Juniper certification as well, AWS and Linux for networking, as well as Aruba and Cisco Meraki. So take fresher internship. I would suggest that.
So fresher internship, it consists of CCNA,
Yeah. And Juniper, JNCIA, and AWS
okay,
and
and
Linux
Linux for
Linux
networking.
networking and Aruba wireless, Aruba and Cisco wireless. Along with that, we'll give you
Okay,
monitoring tools and ticketing tools training as well. Yeah.
okay.
Whole.
As I explained the other time, like I'm not really in India right now. I am
Mm,
the other time I was in South Africa. Now I'm in Zimbabwe.
mm,
That's kind of like the reason why I couldn't join the other,
mm.
because I was actually doing the logistics of moving and all those things.
What
So
is
if
so
I am,
we are training like
yeah,
CCNA. It's now next batch is it's around evening 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. So it's in IST. So which time zone you are sitting? It's African time, right?
GMT plus two, GMT plus two.
So you're in Zimbabwe.
Yes,
Okay. Let's try this. 7 p.m. will be around 3:30 p.m. for you. I think it will work for you. 3:30 p.m.
oh, today.
Day. Yeah. Every day
Okay,
3:30 p.m.
okay.
Will it work?
And no, yeah, it will work. It's perfect for me. So I need the what do you call it, the link so that I can make payment. How much
Yeah,
is
yeah,
it, and
you can,
all those
yeah,
things.
yeah. My team will contact you. Can you drop your number on chat so that my team will engage you? Can you drop your number, please?
Okay, let me.
Yeah,
Okay, let me just do that.
yeah. So, Vamshi or someone from our team, are you there, guys? Anyone from our team?
Yeah, I will
Yeah,
collect.
yeah, Vamshi, please coordinate. Yeah, yeah. That's it, right? Sibanda, all good? Can I move to the next one?
Yes, oh good. You can go to the next one. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Srinath, now you can go, man.
Hey,
Yeah, yeah,
hi Ramesh.
yeah, yeah.
So I am from the audit background. I have overall 10 years experience. Where from the last 5 years, I'm into inform IT audits.
Okay.
So my motto of learning this is like to understand more about the logs or about the network protocols
Hmm.
and network security.
Yeah,
So I think I can go with this 92 IT which you said.
correct.
So do
Absolutely.
you also cover I mean all these protocols,
Yeah.
ports in
In
depth, right?
yeah, in non-IT to IT also we have a NAT and IPsec. Basic level will cover it. That is enough for now. So once you learn that, move to purely core networking, do job for 1 year, and then you can learn other courses and you can move further. Okay. This is the step-by-step process. Okay, na? So no
Okay,
need
you
to.
want me to go for the non-IT to IT and then?
Yes, yes. Non-IT to IT, first do that and get a job in networking, work there for 1 year, and then you can move to core IT after 1 year. So you already finished some of the courses in core IT. Rest of the courses will continue there, like CCNP and Palo Alto, like that.
Okay,
Or
fine.
else,
That's
you can do one thing also. So when you are
mm,
learning here, if you feel I'm learning very well, everything it is good. If you feel like that, after getting confidence, right, you can enroll Palo Alto also. Okay.
okay. Oh, one more quick question. What is the size of the batch you will be training on?
See,
Because when I spoke to one of your colleagues, he said, I mean,
yeah,
she or he's mentioned that it's 70 members. 70 members, it's an
yeah.
online, right?
No, no, no. It's not like that. I manage 150 members also. It's everything is online, right? It is. You know what? One thing I'll tell you. The thing is, I'm an experienced candidate, and also we are not hiring other people for 1 hour basis. Generally institutions will hire a candidates to teach this for 1 hour basis. After 1 hour they will run away. It is not like that. This is our own company. So 1 hour will be the class. After that I will stay here. How many minutes I want to stay, I will stay until you get a clarity on each concept. I'll clarify all your doubts, then only I'll exit the meeting. Okay. That is online approach. Once it is done right, we will give you support 24 into 7. You can watch the recorded session, and if you have any nearest branch, right, go there. Offline we will teach you. The timings are 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Or else if you can't go to office, do labs at your home only. And if you stuck anywhere in between, right, immediately you can contact my team. My team will send a meeting link and they will resolve it. It's like a support is like a 24 into 7. We have engineers in US as well. Okay, they're working in networking Tungabhadra networks. Okay, so yeah, the support will be there everywhere. How many members doesn't matter for us. Ultimately, we have to clarify all your doubts during the class, after the class, and also during daytime also, anytime. Okay, so you have a groups like this. So for each batch, we have a groups. Currently, March 24th, 24th batch is there. So they do labs. They will post here. We will verify it. We'll call them whether doing the labs or not. If they need any help, my team will follow up every day whether you're doing labs or not. Recently, April 10th batch is there. In April 10th batch, if you see right, almost 120 members. 120 members out of 120, 20 members are my employees only. You can say 100 members. See, 100 members we are managing it. See, we have a engineers, 20 engineers or L1, L2, L3 engineers. So you guys are the clients for us. We will work for you. It's not like an institute where we teach and left. Okay, it's like a client and that model. Okay, so we will follow up with you whether doing the lab or not. See, the people are doing labs with Wireshark analysis, everything. We'll teach them to do lab and post labs like this. If you don't post the lab, we'll call you. Hey, what happened? Have you done the lab or not? Okay. So that kind of support you will see here. Okay, now? Yeah. So no need to bother
All
about
right, Ramesh.
but
Thank you.
yeah, yeah, members. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone having any questions? That's a good questions. It's out of personal. Yeah. Anyone having questions like this out of your personal?
హలో
Yes, Vinay.
అన్న లైక్ నేను రీసెంట్ గా జెప్టోలో
No.
జాయిన్ అయ్యాను ఇంజనీర్ గా.
Okay.
అది కానీ అక్కడ వాళ్ళు నాకు ఇంజనీర్ రోల్ ఇవ్వకుండా కస్టమర్ సపోర్ట్ రోల్ ఇచ్చారు.
Okay.
అది రోల్ ఏమరా అంటే స్టోర్స్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ వస్తే స్టోర్స్ తో కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి వేరే వెండర్స్ కి రిపోర్ట్ చేయడము.
That is a network engineer role only. Okay.
కాంట్రాక్ట్ రోల్.
Whatever it is, okay. ఇప్పుడు what is your question?
లైక్ నాది ఇంకొక 4 months లో అది కాంట్రాక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. నేను లైక్
ఎన్ని
మళ్ళీ
months
షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వాలంటే
ఎన్ని months నుంచి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు?
2 months అయిందన్న.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో టేక్ ఏ ఫ్రెషర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్. నీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ 6 months కన్నా దాటలేదు అని అంటే టేక్ ఏ ఫ్రెషర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకేనా? యా. సో
ఓకే
దిస్ ఇస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పర్సనల్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ కాల్ మై టీమ్. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉంటే పర్సనల్ గా నేను 1-to-1 మాట్లాడతా. ఓకేనా?
సరే.
ఓకే ఓకే.
హాయ్ అన్న.
యా అమ్మా.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెషర్ కి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కి సపరేట్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, రెండిట్లకి తేడా ఏంటి?
కోర్సెస్
సిలబస్ దాదాపుగా ఒకటే అంటున్నారు.
సిలబస్ ఒకటే
ఇంకా
కాదు. ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను చెప్తాను. కోర్సెస్ ఎక్కువ యాడ్ అవుతాయి. ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కి తేడా ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ కోర్సులు తక్కువ ఉంటాయి, అక్కడ కోర్సులు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ పాలాల్టో సిసిఎన్పి ఇవి ఎక్స్ట్రాగా కోర్ ఐటీలు వస్తాయి, ఇవి ఇక్కడ రావు. ఓకేనా? కోర్సెస్ ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి, సో కోర్సులు డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనమ్మా? దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. బట్ కంటెంట్ మాత్రం అందరికీ సేమే, ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. అది నేనే టీచ్ చేసేది. సో ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒక 10-11 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కి ఎలాంటి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుందో అలాంటి నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్తా, విచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్. ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి సపరేట్ క్లాసు, ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కి అలా ఉండదు. స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి మీకు ఏం నెట్వర్కింగ్ తెలిసినా తెలియకపోయినా స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి ఐ విల్ టీచ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ స్క్రాచ్.
Okay. Sir, I have a question here. So, like, the people who have done a distance education, even they can pursue this?
ఎస్, అబ్సల్యూట్లీ. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఐ నీడ్ ఏ డిగ్రీ సర్టిఫికేట్. దట్స్ హౌ ఇండియన్
The complete education of distance, open లో చేసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి,
పర్లేదు, కావాలి సర్టిఫికేట్ ఉంటే చాలు. ఓపెన్ అట్లా చాలా మంది వెళ్ళారమ్మా. నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్ లో అదొక అడ్వాంటేజ్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూజ్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఇన్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ లో లెవెల్ జాబ్స్ టు హై లెవెల్ జాబ్స్. ఈవెన్ కంప్లీట్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పర్లేదు. యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఏ జెన్యూన్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సర్టిఫికేట్, గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ సర్టిఫికేట్.
Okay. And sir, I just have one small doubt. Okay. So as like I am from I have a customer support experience of 6 years. Okay.
Okay.
So but I have a recently 2 years of career gap for several reasons. Even though reasons are genuine.
Yes.
And I hold all the documents. I don't have a pay slips and everything, but I have a bank statement. I have a PF one. The same PF number I'm carrying for my last 3 companies, and it's same. The documents are very clear if they are doing it for a background verification.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking of to go for a non-voice to like a non.
Yeah, that is
to this
correct.
one.
Non-IT to IT only. So you have
IT.
a career gap in work, right? Like you have a 2 years of
Yes.
career gap. Doesn't matter. So
Yeah.
lot of women's after generally they have their personal reasons. Some people are after delivery, right? They have taken some gap, 1 year, 2 years. Some people have 6 years of gap also. Gap doesn't matter, ma. Here, what you're doing, you're learning your skills. The previous experience will converting into networking. You're learning your skills and you're doing certification. I'm providing you a certification, right? Juniper certification or CCNA. You do one certification, so you can tell them the genuine reason, and you tell them, hey, I certified recently. I recall all my skills. I refreshed everything. I advanced skills also I learned, and this is my past experience. So that yeah, you can tell to the HR. So a lot of people will you'll give you opportunity. It's going on currently. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, right? There is a guy, Meridian guy. He has 4 years of career gap. Lot of people are there like that, men and women. Yeah, tell me, brother.
సార్ ప్రెసెంట్ డేటా సెంటర్ బూమింగ్ లో ఉంది కదా సార్, అంటే స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నాం సార్, అంటే
సో
డేటా సెంటర్ టెక్నీషియన్ కింద.
ఇదే మనకి తెలియంది సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలియదు కాబట్టి డేటా సెంటర్ బూమింగ్ లో ఉంది అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఆ డేటా సెంటర్ అంటే ఏంటి? డేటా సెంటర్ అంటే ఏంటి? నెట్వర్కింగ్. సి ద థింగ్ ఈస్ డేటా సెంటర్ బూమింగ్ లో లేదు భయ్య. టెక్నాలజీస్ బూమింగ్ లో ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ టు బిల్డ్, రైట్? ఒక డేటా సెంటర్ ని బిల్డ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఇంజనీర్ కావాలి, నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ కావాలి, సర్వర్ ఇంజనీర్, అందరు కావాలి. ఓకే, సో
అవును సార్.
సో నెట్వర్కింగ్ అనేది ఇంటర్నెట్ లేనిది ఏదైనా జరుగుతుందా ఇప్పుడు మనకి లేదు కదా. నెట్వర్కింగ్ బూమింగ్ లో ఉంది ఆల్వేస్. కానీ ఇన్నాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు, అందరూ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డొమైన్ మీద వెనకబడ్డారు దీన్ని వదిలేసి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు దీని ప్రయారిటీ తెలుస్తుంది ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, నేను మంత్లీ నీ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా కదా, ఎవరైనా ఎక్కడైనా ఎన్ని ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఇంత ప్రూఫ్ తో చూస్తున్నారా ఎక్కడైనా? ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ, ఓకే. ఆ ఆఫర్ లెటర్స్ ఏమైనా ఫేకా? లేదు కదా. జెన్యున్ గా ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ కంపెనీస్ కూడా గుర్తులేవు నాకు. స్టిల్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ జాబ్స్. ఓకే, సో లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ జాబ్స్. దట్స్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, సో ద థింగ్ ఈస్ వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ బిహైండ్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎంతవరకు ఉంటుందో అంతవరకు జాబ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ ఇంకా ఇంటర్నెట్ మీద కంప్లీట్ గా డిపెండ్ అయిపోయాం మనం. ఇంటర్నెట్ లేకుంటే ఏం జరగదు. సో అది మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఈ ఇంటర్నెట్ బేస్ చేసుకొని డేటా సెంటర్స్ అని, సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్ అని, ఏఐ డేటా సెంటర్స్ అని ఇవన్నీ పుట్టుకొచ్చాయి. ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? రైట్. యా హాయ్.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ సర్టిఫికేషన్ చేసిన అన్న.
ఏది సిఐఎస్పినా?
జస్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో చేసిన యాక్చువల్లీ మాదాపూర్ లో.
కోర్స్ కంప్లీషన్ సర్టిఫికేట్ అనండి అది.
కోర్స్ కంప్లీషన్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఉంది. నెట్వర్క్ ఫండమెంటల్స్ అన్ని తెలుసు, డిఎస్సిపి, డిఎన్ఎస్ ప్రోటోకాల్స్ అవన్నీ.
ఓకే,
నా ప్లేస్మెంట్ అసిస్టెన్స్ ఏమో సార్ అన్న. నెట్వర్క్ లో వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా ప్రెసెంట్ నేను.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు మా దగ్గర మీరు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ మీకు ఎన్ని తెలిసినా కూడా మీరు నేర్చుకుంది వాట్ ఈస్ డిఎస్సిపి, డోరా ప్రాసెస్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు నేను క్లాస్ చెప్పా, జస్ట్ చూపిస్తాను మీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది డోరా ప్రాసెస్. ఇందులో ఇవన్నీ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇవన్నీ వీటిలో ఏమన్నా మీకు కొన్నైనా తెలుసా?
సోర్స్ ఐపి, మ్యాక్ ఐపి, యూడిపి,
పేలోడ్ లో ఎట్లా వచ్చింది ఏంటి ఇవన్నీ తెలుసా? ఎలా జరుగుతుంది ఏంటి అనేది?
పేలోడ్స్ అంత ఐడియా లేదు, అంత డీటెయిల్ గా.
దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యు నీడ్ హియర్. ఓకే, even if you want to move cyber security, you should know what packet it is internally, what is the fields internally. Okay, source IP, destination IP fields ఉంటాయి. What source it will take, what is the destination, what is broadcast, unicast, multicast, lot of things are there. Okay, so yeah, take a fresher internship once you have done. సో సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇంజనీర్స్ అయితే ఆల్రెడీ 1 year ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేసి ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అయ్యి డైరెక్ట్ గా నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ గా జాబ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, సో యా, సో మీరు ఒకసారి రీసెర్చ్ చేసుకోండి. టేక్ ఏ ఫ్రెషర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ we will refer you. We'll take a mock interviews, we'll refer you. Yeah,
sure. Thank you.
Okay,
hello
guys, everyone is asking their personal things, okay, not your general things. Kindly contact these numbers. I'm available. I will talk one to one.
Sir, 1 second.
Yeah, tell me, Chaitanya.
Hello. Actually, sorry for asking the same question. Nadi 2013 pass out.
It's a personal thing, right? Chaitanya, you're telling about yourself, right? I will talk to you personally one to one. Call this number, man, immediately after this meeting.
Yes.
Okay, because your personal things others also listening it, right? So you should not be like that. Okay, yeah, I'll take your calls, guys. Yeah, thank you.